Hello vlog. It is currently day 3 of our vacation and we have been very busy. So we flew in, I think our flight left at almost like midnight, and we arrived here at 7 in the morning and we were exhausted that whole day, so we just hung out by the pool. And then the next day we went on a full day excursion outside of the resort. We drove away from the resort and we hiked to a waterfall where we were able to swim and take pictures, and it was beautiful. It was so fun to get up close with the waterfall. After that, we went to a coffee plantation and we met the sweetest couple who owned it and invited us into our home. They gave us a tour of all the coffee plants and the plantain plants that they have. And we were even able to grind up our own coffee by hand and watched it be prepared right in front of us. And then finally we were able to drink it with some homemade sweets on the side, like plantain cornbread and sugar-coated cocoa beans. Then we stopped by a blue river that I swear was Gatorade, and we hung out there for a little bit before hiking through the jungle to see the waterfall upstream. We were even lucky enough to see a little viper on the way back. After that, we ate lunch and we went on another hike to see sloths and vipers. To end our day, we drove past the beach and back to the resort for dinner.
Yes, of course. Even, I don't know how is the beach in...
So this morning, we wanted a day just to enjoy the pool and the beach. So we slept in, got room service breakfast, and then we went to the beach and laid out and played in the water for a little bit, and then we went to the pool and got drinks and hung out there. And now it is past 6 and we've come back to our room, we've showered, we've gotten dressed, and now we're gonna go get dinner. Everyone smile and wave. Smile and wave. Smile and wave. Good morning vlog. Today we are gonna go ziplining, horseback riding, gonna do a mud bath, hot springs. I forgot what else, but we have a whole other day of adventures. I'll crop it out. A quaddie. Okay, we're back at our hotel and we just spent the whole day out doing a ton of adventure stuff. Like what else? We ziplined, we went on hanging bridges, we went horseback riding, Brooklyn and I pressed sugar cane and we tasted a ton of fresh sugar cane treats.
It was yummy.
We went hiking, we saw a waterfall, we did a mud bath and a hot springs. What else? Am I missing anything?
We Indiana Jonesed it.
Yeah, in flip-flops because he told us we could and we were dying. But my favorite part was probably zip lining or the horseback riding because we got to go upside down on the zip line. That was really fun. Brooklyn, what was your favorite?
I liked seeing the waterfall. That was really pretty.
The waterfall was really pretty. It was
the walk there was not.
The walk was Indiana Jones, but the waterfall looked like Avatar, like the floating islands, you know? Okay, Mom?
Horseback riding.
Horseback
and the
riding.
waterfall was beautiful.
Perfect.
Oh, the food. The food was
the
really
buffet
good.
for lunch was amazing, dude.
Best Costa Rican food.
Literally, I feel like the best food I've had here.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Same.
so good. Okay, Dad, what was your favorite?
Oh, ziplining, for sure.
Yeah.
Hanging upside down, crossing the canyon.
Yeah. No hands. My hands were literally up like this, upside down. It was so fun. Yeah. Anything else you guys want to add for the vlog?
We had the best tour guides, and we're so sad we're never going to
Yes.
see them again.
I know. Our Costa Rica family, we're split up. But yeah. Yay.
Our adventures and our travel to Costa Rica. Thank you.
Thank you, Mommy.
Moving case covering.